Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to code with Small Basic, and I will use the command turtle. It's something good command. I have already done this program, but I will show you how it works. Here is my program. In this program I have used in first one I have used command turn right and move turtle 100 pixel. I did the same in the second one. In third one I just changed the direction. I say to turn left, and in the fourth one I say to turtle I used command pend up. With this command you say to turtle to don't write nothing, and I said turtle to turn left and move 15 pixel. In the fifth one I did the same. In the sixth one I used something different. I have used command pen down, which is opposite of pen up. It will show what does turtle write, and I say to turtle move 100 pixel and turn, and I didn't say nothing to turn. Now let's see what does program do. In this program I did my first name letter, which is the Z. This is an interesting program to use with Small Basic. You can write other things with it, and you can make somebody surprised. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and see you in next video.